Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share Ramadan special crispy chicken kebab sticks recipe. Chicken 500 grams. Soaked chana dal 1/3 cup. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander crushed 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Onion 1 cup. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Water 2 cup. Mix. Cover and cook until water dry. Check in between. Flame off. Let it cool down. Mash with potato masher. Done. Transfer the mixture into a large bowl. Coriander leaf 2 tablespoons. Fried onion 1/4 cup. Green chili 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Mix. Make a kebab stick or fingers. Done. Deep with egg wash. Coat with breadcrumbs. Done. Can be frozen up to 3 weeks. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Flip over. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.